Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Are you ready to tap into the limitless power of your psychic abilities? I'm excited to share with you my top insights on how to improve your psychic abilities. In this 10-minute video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of intuition, psychic senses, and spiritual connection. Get ready to unlock your hidden psychic potential and elevate your spiritual journey to new heights. Whether you're a beginner on your spiritual journey or a seasoned practitioner looking to level up, you're in the right place. Get ready to awaken your inner psychic, ignite your intuition, and step into your full potential as a divine being. So grab a notepad, open your heart and mind, and let's embark on this mystical adventure together. At the heart of enhancing your psychic abilities lies a fundamental aspect: understanding what they are and how they work. Psychic abilities, also known as intuitive gifts or extrasensory perceptions, are inherent senses that go beyond the physical senses of sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. They are the subtle inner perceptions that allow us to tap into information beyond the ordinary sensory input, providing us with insights, guidance, and knowledge that can be applied in various areas of our lives. To truly improve your psychic ability, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of the different types of psychic abilities that exist. These include clairvoyance, which is the ability to perceive information through visual images or visions in the mind's eye; clairaudience, which is the ability to receive messages through auditory perceptions or inner hearing; clairsentience, which is the ability to sense or feel energies, emotions, or vibrations; and many others, such as claircognizance, clairgustance, and clairolfaction. Understanding the nuances and intricacies of each type of psychic ability is crucial in honing your skills. It allows you to recognize and interpret the different ways in which psychic information can come to you. For example, if you primarily receive intuitive insights through visual images, you may focus on developing your clairvoyant abilities by practicing visualization exercises or working with oracle cards. On the other hand, if you tend to sense emotions or energies strongly, you may work on enhancing your clairsentience through meditation, energy healing, or other techniques. Furthermore, delving into the science and history behind psychic phenomena can provide you with a solid foundation of knowledge. While psychic abilities may seem mystical or mysterious, scientific research has shown that they are a natural part of human consciousness. Understanding the scientific principles and theories that explain psychic phenomena can help demystify them and allow you to approach your psychic development with a more grounded and informed perspective. Exploring the history of psychic abilities can also offer valuable insights. Throughout human civilization, psychic abilities have been documented and revered in various cultures and traditions. Learning about the experiences and practices of those who have walked the path of psychic development before us can provide inspiration, guidance, and wisdom to enhance our own psychic abilities. In addition, seeking guidance from reputable sources, such as books, online resources, or experienced mentors, can be invaluable in deepening your understanding of psychic abilities. Engaging in discussions, attending workshops or classes, and surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded individuals who are also interested in psychic development can offer support, encouragement, and opportunities for learning and growth. In conclusion, to improve your psychic ability, it is essential to start with a solid foundation of understanding what they are and how they work. This involves delving into the different types of psychic ability, understanding the science and history behind psychic phenomena, and seeking guidance from reputable sources. With a deep understanding of psychic abilities and a commitment to consistent practice and self-exploration, you can unlock the full potential of your intuitive gifts and embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Embrace the wonder of the unseen world and let the magic of psychic abilities unfold in your life. Your intuition is the gateway to unlocking your psychic potential, a powerful inner compass that can guide you on a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Developing and trusting your intuition is a key step in honing your psychic ability and tapping into the subtle energy and information that are available to you. Intuition is that gut feeling, that inner voice, that nudge from within that guides you without logical reasoning. It is a profound form of inner knowing that goes beyond the limitations of the conscious mind. Developing your intuition is about tuning in, connecting with your inner self, and learning to trust the wisdom that arises from within. Practical exercises and techniques can help sharpen your intuition and enhance your ability to perceive subtle energies and information. One powerful technique is meditation, which allows you to quiet the mind, calm the chatter, and listen to the whispers of your intuition. Through meditation, you can develop your ability to be present in the moment, to listen to your inner guidance, and to cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and clarity. Another practical exercise is journaling, which provides an opportunity to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. By regularly writing in a journal, you can track your intuitive insights, dreams, and synchronicity, and gain a deeper understanding of the patterns and messages that may be emerging from your intuition. In addition, practicing mindfulness can heighten your intuition. Being fully present in the moment, without judgment or attachment, allows you to access your intuitive insights with greater clarity. Paying attention to your sensations, emotions, and thoughts in the present moment can help you become more attuned to your intuition and the subtle signals it may be sending. Trusting your intuition is equally important. It requires letting go of self-doubt, fear, and external influence, and instead cultivating a deep sense of self-trust and confidence in your inner guidance. Trusting your intuition is like trusting a dear friend who always has your best interests at heart. It may require taking risks, stepping out of your comfort zone, and following your inner guidance even when it seems illogical or unconventional. Enhancing your ability to perceive subtle energies and information is also crucial in developing your psychic abilities. This can involve working with tools such as crystals, pendulums, or divination cards to amplify your intuitive insights. Learning to interpret symbols, signs, and synchronicities can also sharpen your perception of subtle energies and messages from the universe. If you want to learn more about psychic abilities, spiritual growth, and manifestations, like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, developing and trusting your intuition is a journey that requires practice, patience, and self-awareness. It is a profound process of deepening your connection with your inner self and the unseen world around you. Embrace the magic of your intuition, listen to its whispers, and trust the wisdom that arises from within. Your intuition is the compass that can guide you on an awe-inspiring journey of self-discovery and unlock your limitless psychic potential. Trust yourself and let the wonders of the unseen world unfold before you. Avoiding toxic substances is crucial if you want to improve your psychic ability, as they can have detrimental effects on your overall well-being and hinder your psychic potential. Toxic substances, such as drugs, alcohol, tobacco, and excessive caffeine, can cloud your mind, disrupt your energy field, and interfere with your ability to perceive subtle energies and information. The use of drugs and alcohol, for example, can alter your state of consciousness, impairing your clarity, focus, and intuition. They can create a barrier between you and your higher self, making it difficult to access your intuitive insights and connect with your inner wisdom. These substances can also weaken your aura, which is your energetic field, making it vulnerable to negative energy and interference, and disrupting your ability to perceive subtle energies. Similarly, excessive caffeine consumption can overstimulate your nervous system, leading to restlessness, anxiety, and an overactive mind. This can interfere with your ability to quiet the mind, a key aspect of developing intuition and psychic abilities. Additionally, tobacco use can have detrimental effects on your physical health, which is interconnected with your mental, emotional, and energetic well-being, and can impact your overall psychic potential. It is essential to keep in mind that your body, mind, and spirit are interconnected, and maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle is vital for enhancing your psychic abilities. Avoiding toxic substances and instead nurturing your body with healthy food, regular exercise, and adequate rest can support your overall well-being. Raise your energetic vibration and create a conducive environment for developing and expanding your psychic abilities. By avoiding toxic substances, you can create a clear and receptive state of mind, raise your energetic frequency, and enhance your ability to perceive subtle energies and information. This allows you to be more in tune with your intuition and inner guidance and fosters a deeper connection with the unseen world. It empowers you to develop your psychic abilities to their fullest potential and embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Remember, your body and mind are sacred vessels that house your soul, and taking care of them is essential for unleashing the full power of your psychic abilities. By avoiding toxic substances and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you create a solid foundation for your spiritual journey and open up doors to profound insights, revelations, and limitless possibilities. Embrace the path of purity and nourishment and watch your psychic potential soar to new heights. Just like any other skill, psychic abilities can be strengthened with consistent practice. Here are some exercises and techniques to sharpen your psychic senses and expand your various psychic faculties. Meditation. Regular meditation practice can help you quiet your mind, open your intuition, and expand your psychic awareness. You can try different forms of meditation, such as mindfulness, visualization, or energy clearing, to help you connect with your inner guidance and heighten your psychic senses. Aura reading. Practice reading the energy field, or aura, of yourself and others. Start by focusing on the subtle sensations and impressions you receive when you tune into someone's energy field. With time and practice, you can develop your clairvoyant abilities and gain insights about a person's emotions, thoughts, and overall well-being. Psychic journaling. Keep a journal to record your psychic experiences, insights, and impressions. Write down any intuitive hits or psychic impressions that you receive, even if they seem insignificant. Over time, you may start to notice patterns or recurring themes, which can help you develop and validate your psychic abilities. Intuitive exercises. Engage in activities that help you develop your clairaudience, clairsentience, and other psychic faculties. For example, you can practice listening to your inner voice or gut feelings, and pay attention to the sensations, emotions, and impressions that arise during your daily interactions or energy work. Energy work. Explore different energy healing techniques, such as Reiki, Qigong, or chakra balancing, to help you understand and work with subtle energies. These practices can help you develop your clairsentience and other psychic abilities by attuning you to the energetic vibrations of yourself and others. In addition to exercises to sharpen your psychic ability, it's also crucial to protect and cleanse your energy field to maintain a clear and receptive state for psychic work. Here are some insights on how to protect and cleanse your energy field. Grounding. Grounding techniques, such as walking barefoot on the earth, sitting in nature, or visualizing roots extending from your feet into the ground, can help you stay connected to the earth's energy and maintain a balanced energy field. Shielding. Visualize a protective shield of light surrounding your energy field, or aura, to shield yourself from negative energies or psychic interference. You can use different colors of light or crystals, such as black tourmaline or amethyst, to enhance your shielding practice. Energy cleansing. Regularly cleanse your energy field using techniques such as smudging with sage, using sound therapy with bells or singing bowls, or taking salt baths. These practices can help you release any stagnant or negative energies that may have accumulated in your energy field and restore your energetic balance. Intention setting. Set clear intentions to protect your energy field and maintain a clear and receptive state for your psychic work. You can use affirmations or visualizations to reinforce your intentions and create a sacred space for your psychic practice. By incorporating these exercises and techniques into your daily routine, you can develop and expand your psychic ability and maintain a clear and receptive state for your psychic work. With practice, patience, and trust in your own ability, you can unlock the full potential of your psychic senses and embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Unlocking your psychic potential is a journey of self-discovery, intuition, and practice. Just like any other skill, it requires consistent effort and dedication to develop and sharpen your psychic abilities. By understanding the nature of psychic ability, trusting your intuition, and practicing exercises to expand your clairvoyance, clairaudience, clairsentience, and other psychic faculties, you can unlock new realms of perception and insight. Remember, your intuition serves as the gateway to your psychic potential. Trusting your inner guidance and listening to your intuitive hits can lead you to profound insights and revelations. As you continue to practice and hone your psychic ability, you may find yourself tapping into a world of subtle energy and information that can guide and support you on your life's path. It's also crucial to protect and cleanse your energy field to maintain a clear and receptive state for psychic work. By grounding, shielding, and regularly cleansing your energy field, you can create a sacred space for your psychic practice and ensure that you are operating from a place of clarity and purity. So, embrace the journey of unlocking your psychic potential with patience, persistence, and trust in your own abilities. Allow yourself to explore the depths of your intuition, expand your psychic senses, and tap into the vast possibilities of the unseen realms. You are capable of developing and enhancing your psychic abilities, and the insights and guidance you gain can profoundly impact your life and the lives of those around you. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and may your psychic abilities flourish and guide you towards a life of deeper insights, intuition, and spiritual growth. Keep practicing, trusting, and exploring, and may your psychic journey be one of awe-inspiring discovery and empowerment. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.